Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
After all of these hardships, Imam Jafar Sadiq kept himself busy by preaching the knowledge of the Ahlul Bayt. And in turn, those who did not recognize Imam Jafar Sadiq as the Imam started to attend his seminars after listening to his eloquent and thought-provoking speeches. On the other hand, Mansur was plotting against the Imam in order to defame him. Once he decided to bring some scholars and organize a debate with the Imam. He thought the Imam would lose the debate and everyone would stop following him. However, this was not the case. The Imam easily answered every question, and the scholars were shocked by his intelligence and eloquence. When they did not succeed, they started planning to arrest or kill the Imam. They spread their spies in every area to keep an eye on the Shias. Imam Jafar was called from Medina to Iraq 5 times, but Mansur was not able to give evidence against the Imam, and therefore he was unable to order his arrest. Even after that, the Imam was not safe. Once the Imam's house was set on fire, however, nobody was harmed, and by the grace of God the fire was extinguished quickly. Imam Jafar Sadiq was one of the links in a chain of complete archetypes that Allah has created for the world. That is the reason his nature and qualities resembled Prophet Muhammad. Once a pilgrim entered Medina and slept in Masjid-e-Nabi. When he woke up, he found his bag, which had 1,000 dinar, was missing. He tried to find it, but it was nowhere to be seen. Imam Jafar was praying in the masjid. The pilgrim, not knowing who the Imam was, asked, "Did you just take my pouch?" The Imam asked, "What was in it?" He said, 1,000 dinar. The Imam said, "Come with me to my house." The pilgrim started following the Imam to his home. When they arrived, the Imam gave him 1,000 dinar. The pilgrim took it and came back to the masjid and started collecting his stuff, and he found that his pouch was there. In the current situation, everyone knows that acquiring food is difficult, and people are hoarding food and supplies. The following story illustrates the character of Imam Jafar and his generosity. Once Imam asked his counselor Motib, "Grain is being scarce. How much grain do we have?" Motib replied, "We don't have to worry about the drought. We have hoarded enough grain that we won't have problems." Imam said, "Distribute all the grain among people and we will keep what everyone gets equally." When grain was distributed, Imam asked, "From now on, don't make bread with wheat but make dough with half wheat and half barley. We should support the poor as much as possible." It was Imam's principle to respect poor people more than rich people. He valued labor and used to do trading and worked in his gardens. Once Imam was gardening with a shovel in his hand. Someone said, "Please give me this shovel so I can perform this duty." Imam asked, "It is not bad to tolerate the hotness and heat of the sun to seek food." In the era of Imam Jafar, Banu Umayya was busy fighting the battle of survival and dominance, and this resulted in Shias acquiring some religious freedom. So, the Imam started to organize debates and seminars to educate his followers. This freedom, which was not provided to the Imams before Imam Jafar, became the reason that people from all around the world started to come to his seminars, and many hadiths were copied from him. According to Ibn Hajar Hatami, people were getting treasures in the form of knowledge from the Imam, and his name was known everywhere. Many debates have been mentioned between Imam Sadiq and the priests of other religions. In some of these debates, the Imam's student in the presence of the Imam debated with others. Once a Syrian who wanted to debate with the Imam's disciples, debated with Hashim bin Salim, who was a great theologian. Another person who wanted to debate with the Imam himself was told by Imam that debate on whichever topic you desire with my disciples. If you beat them, then I'll debate with you myself. That person debated with Kimran ibn An about Quran, Aban ibn Salib about Arabic, Zurara about fiqh and Manantak, and Hashim ibn Salim about theology, and won every debate. Then he debated with the Imam and lost the debate almost immediately. The government felt threatened by the knowledge and excellence of the Imam despite knowing that the Imam was the right heir. When all the efforts of the government against the Imam failed, they used poison as a silent way of killing him. Poison grapes had been sent to the Imam through the governor of Medina, which started to take effect as soon as the Imam ate them, and on the 15th of Shawwal 148 at the age of 65, he was martyred. The Imam's son and successor Imam Musa Kazim performed the funeral rituals and buried him in Jannat al-Baqi, where Imam Hassan, Imam Zain al-Abidin and Imam Muhammad Baqir are buried. Verily we belong to Allah, and verily to Him do we return.